as you can notice, you have certain names displayed on your screen. Now if I want to change these spellings, or if I want to change these names of the person into all capitals, that is in uppercase, how I can do it in Excel? Because if I have to do the same exercise in Microsoft Word, I can do it very easily. Now this question has been asked to me so many times, so I thought of making a video on it. So hi guys, my name is Rahul Srivastav, and in today's video we are going to learn the three functions, that is upper, lower and proper, in this video. So before starting the video, if you like my initiative, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the latest updates once I upload a video. So as you can see here, there are names displayed on the screen. Now I want all these names to be in capital letters. So what I can do is I'll put a equals to sign. Now the formula that I'll put is UPPER. After pressing the formula, I'll press a tab button and I'll simply select the cell for which I want to change the spelling, and then I'll press enter. Now you can see as soon as I pressed enter button, it automatically get changed into capital letters, and once I simply drag and drop down, my exercise is complete. So this was as simple as that. Now second one is lower. Now suppose the name of the spellings are in like this, and I want all these spellings to be in small letters. So for that, what I need to do is I will type a formula known as LOWER, lower, and then I'll simply select this cell and I'll press enter. Now as soon as I do that, you can notice here it gets changed to lowercase. Now what is this proper? Now suppose I have my spellings in all capital letters and I want my first initial name, that is first character of my initial name, that is R, and first character of my surname, that is S, to be in capital letters and rest all in small letters. So for that I need to press equals to proper, and then I'll simply select this cell and I'll press enter, and then I will simply drag and drop this up till end. So I hope this technique was useful to you people. Do go to your organization and apply this technique. Till then, take care of yourself and your family members. Bye bye.